Hi guys! Welcome back to the Inspired Stories channel. For today's video ay tutuloy ko kayo sa Geneva Home and Office Furniture Shop. Actually, this is our second time na makapasyal sa store nila. So this is located at Barangay Malandayan sa Nueva Rizal. This is the closest home and furniture shop in Montalban and of course in Marikina. I know that there's a lot of home and furniture shop in Marikina, but if you are from Payatas like that and from Yolago and then down to Montalban, ito yung pinakamalapit na home office furniture. In this video, makikita ninyo kung ano yung mga furnitures or mga products na pinakamalaki ng Geneva Home and Furniture Shop. Makikita nyo din kung gaano kalawag yung pwede nyo pagpilian when it comes to their furnitures and kung anong payment options yung available sa kanila. Makikita nyo rin sa videos kung magkano yung mga prices or price range ng kanilang mga furniture and iba pa. So, tara na! Yan guys, 4 PM na rin kami nakarating dito sa shop. And as you can see, wala masyadong tao. This is actually our second time visiting the shop. Nung una kasi, yun lang yung time na nakapili kami. Pumili muna kami ng mga sofa. And then this time, nung tenext na kami na available na yung sofa kasi nagpa-customize kami, chinek muna namin siya, saka namin pinayaran ng full payment para ma-deliver na siya the following day. Oh, before I forgot, hindi pala sponsored ng video na to guys ha. Natuwa lang ako sa pag-visit ko sa Geneva Home and Office Furniture Shop. So, yan. Dahil manufacturer din ng furniture ang Geneva Home Office Furniture Shop, kayang-kaya nyo pong or pwedeng-pwede nyo pong ipa-customize yung mga sofa sets nila dito. So, kayo ang pipili kung linen o leather o kung anong kulay ang gagamitin. Please note also guys, na lahat ng mga presyo na makikita nyo dito sa video ay subject to discount pa naman po. And take note guys, na Uratex foam po mostly ang mga gamit nila dito, kaya talagang medyo pricey. Pero quality naman pag dumating sa inyo. Syempre, dahil manufacturer sila at Uratex foam ang gamit, may warranty yan. So nakakasiguro talaga kayo na excellent quality yung darating sa inyong produkto. Lalo-lalo na pag nagpa-customize kayo. Just for us, world belongs to us, no fuss. Moonlit skies, we're hand in hand. Wanderlust, we understand. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. On this side guys, makikita ninyo yung mga konting appliances nila. May washing machine, electric fan, cooking wares like kettle, and others. And then dito nyo rin makikita yung mga buy one take one nilang mga pillows, yung mga folded na mattress nila, or yung mga foams, and then yung mga chairs na Nordic style. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. At dahil partner sila by Uratex, mapapansin ninyo meron kayong mattress sizing guide dito. Just in case na hindi kayo sigurado sa size ng inyong mga bed.
Just the open road, together sharing stories told. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me, chasing dreams beneath the tree. Street signs blurring on our review. Darkest blue, laughing loud without a care. You and me, the perfect pair. Headlights shining just for us. World belongs to us, no fight. Together we shine in every way. Sunshine breaking through the trees, laughter dancing in the breeze. With my family by my side, every moment feels like a ride. Oh, what?
Pagkakit nyo ng second floor, ganitong mga sofa na yung bubungad sa inyo. This one caught my attention kasi nare-recline ito. Kaya ganito dito yung presyo na ito kasi, syempre, Eurotex foam. And then yun nga, nare-recline siya. Pwede siyang gawing sofa bed. And then, ang dami nyo dito mapipilian na dividers. O diba? Ang cute nila.
Friends around the picnic table, sharing dreams we're truly able. In this moment, hearts align, creating memories pure and divine. Oh, what a beautiful day. With the ones I love, I'll always stay. Living my best life, come what may. Together we shine in every way. Through the laughter and the tears, we'll treasure this through all the years.
O diba guys, ang dami nyo mapagpipilian ng working tables. As in, ikaw ang pipili kung anong kulay yung gusto mo. Yung iba dito, pwede din gawing console table, o diba? Ang daming pwedeng, napaka-versatile ng mga design din talaga ng mga sanyang, no?
With the ones I love, I'll always stay. Living my best life, come what may. Together we shine in every way. So here's to love, here's to joy. Moments cherished, no need to toy. In this beautiful life, we'll always play. With family and friends, it's a perfect day.
Ang ganda na ito. This is 18,000. Like it. This one for bigger houses. 32,000. I like this one also. Ang ganda ng combination niya. Okay. Salamin. This is 32,000. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng combination niya. 36.5. Walang center table, no?
Yes.
Ano?
Yes po, buy one take one po.
Buy one take one. Magkano po mga ganito?
2,070.
Okay. 2,070 kasi full leather po ito, no? Sobrang lambot. I like the gray one. I just don't know how much is this. But it's cute. Look. Leather. Gosh, I love this white. This white one worth 29. Ganda. Lambot ng ano niya, mga pillows. Diba? 29,198. No center table. Brown version, pero may center table. This is worth, I guess, 36. 36,000. You already have a center table. Okay. 40,000. Eurotex foam. Pwede i-customize yung color, yung tela. Another
white or cream of white na color. Beige. Ganda. This is worth 35,000. Ganda. So, made of Uratex, 35,000. Another beige color. Hindi kasama ang center table. So, here are the tela na pwede nyo pagpilian kapag gusto nyo magpa-customize. O, diba? Ang dami nyo mapipilian. So, another big sofa. Large one. Ang difference lang is may headdresser, tama? Headdress siya. It's so bulky. So, dapat malaki yung bahay na paglalagyan nyo na ito. Bulky and soft. Super soft. Another gray. No center table also. This is worth 43,000. Parang 44. Papatak siya ng 44. Super lambot din. Meron siyang separate na armrest. And then, pwede ninyo din siyang isaction. No center table na kasama. Another kakaiba na sofa. Wow. Like this one. Pang-accent. Oh. Both of them. Pang-accent. This is 23,460. 3.2. Hindi kasama yung table, ha? Ang ganda niya, pang-accent. For bigger houses, mga mansion. Baka nito. Oh, ang ganda din ang combination nito, guys. Oh. This is worth 32,790. May armrest. And then, may separate na. Ganda. Hindi yan dito, no? Hindi ko lang alam sa mga sets nilang ganito kung pwede bang separate lang na kukunin mo pang accent lang. But, this is 25,170. Hindi kasama ang center table. Ang ganda niya pang ano, pang accent, no? Kasi bulky siya. And then this one, classic ito para sa mga beauty parlor. Mga velvet style. Another one, mga classic na ganito. And of course, this one. Ah, ang ganda na ito. Look, tingnan mo yung ano niya. Ano? This is worth 38,250. Ganda niya. Laki niya. Ang laki nga lang niya. Pang big space. Another one. Ganda. This is 28,000. Hindi kasama yung center table guys ha. 28,200 po. Gray. Another. Ito ang pinakamahal. I guess 47,000. Lapitan natin. 47,600. Ang ganda kasi ng design. Uratex foam din. Diba? Pang accent. Hi to Sir Ronald. Okay. So, ito yung mga premium pieces nila. My God! Look at that. These are premium pieces from Uratex. So, mostly mga bed set dito. Oh my God, ang lalambot. So, kayo pipili kung gaano kakapal ng kama yung gusto ninyo. And then, kung anong klaseng linen or... Oh my gosh. These are great pieces. So, here are the premium touch na prices nila. Maganda. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Sobrang lambot. So, yan yung premium pieces nila. And you can also choose a lot of pillows here. So, may standard, king size. Like that. Ito yung mga prices nila. So, from someone na, alam niyo yun, nag-work from home, kailangan ng masarap na tulog. I think this premium pieces of them worth the buy. Sila dito mga TV rack. So, this is worth 4,050. This one, this is worth 4,800 or 4,900. Ang ganda ng combination nito. Ganda. Ganda ng combination niya. This is worth 8,995. This one also. With pa rin. Ganda din nito. Oh. Wow. I love the color. Let's open it. Ang ganda. Ganda. This is worth okay, 9,000. Ito. TV stand. So this is worth 10K yung mga ibang ito. Wood kasi. And then 7,900. Yung steel and then glass naman. We also have industrial design. This is 3,250 and that is 4,000. Meron din sila mga big mirrors dito. They do have a lot of wardrobes here. Kaya pipili. Ang kagandahan naman ng mga ganitong type. Yan o, hindi sila kahoy. Diba? Hindi yan kahoy. Hindi sila kahoy. Look at that. Ganda. Aluminum frame. Hindi kahoy. Hindi magmo-molds. Diba? They're great. Look at that. Ang ganda ng mga wardrobe nila dito kasi made of aluminum na yung iba. This one. This is worth 10,295. Sayang. Aluminum na rin siya. Dahil meron din siyang drawer sa baba. Ang ganda. Meron na rin kayo. Another one from Sanya. 3 doors naman to. This is worth 11,650. May discount pa rin tong mga to, guys. So this is one is wood. 3 doors. This is worth 6,150 kasi wood. For this one, this is 11,550. This is 1, 4, 5, 6 doors. This is 4 big rooms. Dami niyang lagayan. This is also from Sanya. Another wood type from Sanya. So, mag-check na lang kayo sa website nila. Just so you know na merong available dito sa January. Kaya mga Sanya. May papakita pa sa inyo. So, another aluminum type. I love this one. Really love this one. So, aluminum type. This is worth 60,000. Aluminum siya. 3 doors. So, meron ka ng vault. Ang dami mong shelves. May lagayan ka ng mga hangers. And at the same time, may drawers ka pa. Diba? This is so good. And then, made of aluminum. Diba? Yes. Ganda na design nila. This is worth 16,000. Bago po, ah. Bagong stock nila. So, this is 4 doors. Meron ka ng mirror. And then, meron kang light. May 3 drawers. Another aluminum. This is worth, I guess, 90. May 10% off pa naman yan. This is 3 doors. May vault din sila. May mirror. Oh, may lagayan ka din ng mga hanging clothes here. And then may drawer ka din. 3 drawers. O, diba? Napakaganda. This is made of aluminum. This one also made of aluminum. Both of them. So, white, kung minimalist yung bahay ninyo or room ninyo. This one is so good. Sliding naman siya. May mirror. may gold. May 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na shelves. May lock na rin. And lagayan ng hangin. This is worth 14,000. I guess. 14,000. Another one. Oh, 3 doors. May bolt then. Oh, look at the bolt. Good. Diba? Secure na secure. Okay. So, napaka-straightforward lang na ito. This is worth 16,000. May discount pa po yung mga sinasabi kong purchase. Mga ganit yung so, another what is this? Wood? Laminated wood? Made up of jelly. Ganda. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 doors. Sabi niyang ito yung hanging cabinet. Hanging clothes. And then meron din siya 2 doors. This is worth 30,500. Next one. Oh, ang ganda. This is doors. Wood. Wood type sa best. Very straightforward to. Kung marami kang hanging clothes, this is the best one for you. Ganda niya. This is the best one. Next. Ooh. This one. Very straightforward din. Hanging clothes. Mas maluwang yung hanging clothes na. Hanging clothes na siya. Shelf. Another shelf sa baba. This is where I don't know how much this will So they also have wide range of bed frames here. So for this one, for large room, this is for 13,000. 18. 80,000. Please note guys, na dito sa mga bed frames nila, frame lang talaga siya, wala pang kasamang mga foam, okay? Have a lot to choose from here pagdating sa mga bed frames. May mga metal frames din sila na dito na bed frame. Ang ganda na to guys. Ang minimalist na room. This is first. Hindi ko lang pasan dito. Sabihin na natin 12.5 ganyan. Ganda. Hindi pa kasamang foam. Oh, like this one. This is made from Pine Nest Company. We also have double decks here. May metal frame, may wood frame, and then yung parang mga customized na ganito. Oh, for this one? Wow, this. For this one, this is worth sabihin natin yung 24, 29. Then they also have this one, yung natutupi yung bed frame para tipid ng space. Para sa mga malalaking kwarto. Oh, ganda na to, solid wood. This one, ito yung kasi. Solid wood. Metal bed frame, 12.9. Another one. Ganda. And this one also. Tignan natin. Ah, hindi siya. Akala ko drawer. No, it's not. This is worth 32,000. Hindi pa kasama yung Parang ganda niya. Sayang nga lang. Ay, nasa gilid. Look, nasa gilid yung kanyang mga drawer. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. This is great. Patch na to sa 32. And then may last pa. May drawer. Di lang natin makita lahat kung yung mga malalaking bed frames. So, meron silang mga lower mo. Kasi ang bigat, hindi ka move aside. Pero yung iba, like those. Like the one. Ganda. For this one side lang yung lower. Pero ang ganda nyo. This is 21,300. Hindi pa kasama yung home. This is bedtime lang to, 13,400. Ang ganda. Ang ganda na ito. So, meron na kayong extender ng paa and at the same time, storage siya. See? Ang ganda. Ang ganda na ito. 14,000 na. For this section, malawak na pagpipilian na tables and chairs. So, meron sila dito 12-seater. Wow, ang ganda na ito. For bigger houses, for mansions, ganda na ito. 8-seater. Worth, you know. This 12-seater, ito yung price niya. Another 8-seater. Meron din sila dito mga shelves, of course. Wooden shelves. This is made from Malaysian wood. Ganda niya. So, wood, pure wood to. This is, ito yung work. Ang ganda na ito. This is worth 31,400 kasi pwedeng i-customize na sa paanan ay sa upuan. Ganda. Look at that. Ganda. Made from Malaysian wood. Ganda. Ganda na ito. Ganda ng set na to. This is 6-seater. Ganda ng combination na ito. Yan yung worth niya. Also, this one 6-seater, so this is worth 11,395. Comfy na yung upuan niya. Wooden glass naman to na combination. This is worth 10% pa rin pa. For this one, this is 36,999. Another wood and glass na combination. Oh my gosh, ang ganda nito sa mga minimalist na bahay. Another one. So, ayan. Ayan yung presyo na to. Ayan. So, ang dami niyong pagpipilian dito, no? Ito yung price na ito. Set na to. 4-seater. Glass and leather. Hindi ko alam kung saan dito. Yeah. Glass and leather. Wood. Another Malaysian wood. 20,200. Ganda. 4-seater. For small spaces na bahay. Cute. For 2-seater, this is worth 2-seater. Linen po yung upuan. 2-seater. Ang ganda na ito. Ang ganda ng combination ng linen color ng ano nyo, upuan nyo. This is worth. Cute. Cute ang ganda niya. For small spaces. Classic leather and glass again. Dito makabili ng separate ng mga upuan. Pwede nyo din ipa-customize yung mga color ng linen sheets niya. Pinaka-upuan niya. This is 3,900. 3,095. 2,050. The rest. So, yung linya na to, yan ay for small spaces. Most of the time, 2-seater lang to. For this one, this is worth, ayan, napunit, 9,000. 9,000. All wood. Classic leather and glass na combination. I don't know how much is this one. Ganda na ito. Para sa mga condominium siguro. And this is for... Cute. Another one from Sanyang. This is 5,150 for small space. My gosh, I love this one. I love this one. Bench siya. Parang pwede pa dito sa mga may bar area sa bahay. Ang ganda na ito. Parang extension mo siya. Kaganda nito. This is worth 19,000. Ganda. Siyempre meron din sila dito yung stool bar. 3-2. Classic na ganyan. Oh, another one. Ang ganda. Look. Look this. Ang ganda. Wood. Wood. Malaysian wood. Yeah. Then, meron din tayong ganito. Walang mga prices, guys. 5,500 yung isang ganito. Bar table. Ano nakalagay mga mahal ko? Oh, meron din sila dito ang console table. Ang ganda. Balik. Team puti. Ito ang ganda. Kakaiba yung design niya. This is world. No. The classic one. Sa mga home bodies natin dyan. Ganda na ito, no? 4 yung ganyan niya na seat. And then, meron siyang bench. So, this is worth 30,200. Ganda. Small spaces. This is worth yung mga ganitong gusto. Leather and glass yung combination. This is 28,000. Ito yung mga old style na mga furnitures. This is 15,550. Alam nyo na, nag-i-start pa lang ako magturo. Ang kauna-unahan kong investment is tables and chairs na dining. So, ganito yung style niya. So, classic yung mga ganito. Tiba niya hanggang ngayon, gamit pa rin namin yung tables niya and then yung chairs niya. This is 15,550. Ganda. Marble, parang marble style yung design niya. So, yan guys. Tapos na tayo sa tour natin dito sa Genevieve Furniture. And papakita ko lang sa inyo yung wala na dito yung ano namin, yung nakuha namin na sofa. Ayan yung ibang section nila ng sofa. So bumaba na kami guys para magbayad sa cashier. Ang flexible po ng payment options nila, no? On our part, bilang nagpa-customize, nag-down payment na po kami ng 50% ng amount ng aming nakuhang sofa. And then binalikan namin siya nung available na, saka kami nag-full payment. I think they prefer cash. But, yeah, pwede naman maghintay kasi nga hindi naman sila upfront na babayaran mo lahat-lahat ng total amount kapag nagpa-customize ka. Guys, ang ganda ng experience namin dito at mababait ang staff nila.
Tapos na yung tour natin dito sa Genevieve. So, I hope na makapasyal kayo dito. And, yeah, ma-explore ninyo kung gaano kadami yung pwede yung pagpili. Bye!
Ooh, strawberry skies. Butterflies inside. Monday morning like a 1, 2, 3. Saw you laughing, didn't notice me. Your blue sweater, messy golden hair. I just froze, I forgot how to breathe. Math class doodles hearts on my page. Wrote your name in a secret code language. Every glance feels like a sweet escape. Hope this daydream never fades away. Is it magic? Maybe it's true. When you smile, my whole world turns pink and blue. Strawberry skies, candy high, heartbeats wild when you pass by. Wish I could say, hey, it's you I adore, but I'm just a girl you ignore. Strawberry skies, wonder why, falling hard like fireflies. One day you'll see this love I can hide, and dance with me in the neon light. Lunchroom chaos, you're with the crowd. I sip my soda, trying to act proud. Whisper jokes with my bestie Sue, go talk to him, I just can't move. Playlist songs on repeat all night. Imagine slow dancing, holding you tight. Your Insta stories, I'm the first to view. This silly crush feels brand new. Is it magic? Maybe it's true. When you smile, my whole world turns pink and blue. Strawberry skies, candy high, heartbeats wild when you pass by. Wish I could say, hey, it's you I adore, but I'm just a girl you ignore. Strawberry skies, wonder why, falling hard like firefly. One day you'll see this love I can hide, and dance with me in the neon light. Whoa, will this ever be real? Whoa, butterflies I can't conceal. Just one look, could you feel what I feel? Strawberry skies, make this dream a deal.